Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really quick styling video for you guys. It is from hjweavebeauty hair. I am wearing their curly bob wig. It is 150% density Brazilian human hair. The color is a natural color, the cap size is medium, and the lace color is medium brown as well. So as you guys can see, just to start off, the hairline is actually pretty good. I did go in and pluck a little bit more of the hairline. I'm actually starting to do this a lot more, simply because it's really just never enough from any company, any wig company or whatever. You always, well, not always, but I'm just getting into the habit of plucking just a little bit more hair. So that's exactly what I'm doing here, and I did it of course on both sides and then the middle. So I have been on a short hair kick lately. I just really need something different. I'm kind of tired of long hair, and it's getting warmer here in Houston, so we are about to be in summertime in no time. So yeah, this curly bob was perfect for me right now. So yeah, here I am just going in and spraying the hair. I think I probably should have washed it completely before I applied it, but such is life, and I did not do that. So I'm just spraying it with water and combing it through, and you see the curls are really pretty. This wig, you guys, really is like the most vacation wig that I have ever had, because it's super low maintenance. It's so low maintenance. I have styled this wig 3 different ways for you guys that you will see towards the end of the video. That's how easy, low maintenance it is, and like you're able just to get a really quick style and switch it up. So I was really like impressed with that. It kind of threw me for a loop, to be honest, simply because I didn't really know what to do with it, because it was short hair and I did not want to go right in and flat iron this hair. So I wanted to keep the curls. I just wanted to really just see what I could do with it. So that's what you'll end up seeing here, is just a variety of styles towards the end of the video. I just kind of give you some quick looks, and also make sure you are following me on Instagram at jmarie, so that you can see some additional looks that I did with this hair. So again, you guys, all the information, all the deets on this wig will be down below in the description box. I'm just gonna point out, I do wish that maybe I would have gotten a longer length, because it is curly, and I think that's probably why, like one of the reasons I was so like nervous about this wig, because it's 10 inches. I believe this is the one I got. I think it's 10 inches, and I think I should have went for 14. And so I'm not really used to doing short wigs like this, so bear with me a little bit. But yeah, you guys, so I'm going to stop rambling and let you watch this video in peace. If you guys have any questions, concerns, anything like that, please let me know. I will answer you as quickly as I can. And thank you guys so much for your support. And